Hello viewers, welcome to Sichinga Online Math. In this video, I'm going to work out question 18, which is a question on variation, and it reads, it is given that y varies directly as 2x and inversely as z square, and y equal to 4 when x equal to 8 and z equal to 2. Find the part A, value of k, the constant of variation. Then part B, value of y when x equal to 27 and z equal to 3. Then C, values of z when x equal to 24 and y equal to 3. So to find the value of k, we just have to find the connection for the variables given, y, x, and z square. Now it is given that y varies directly as 2x and inversely as z square. So for the first part, what we're just going to write is y varies directly as 2x, so 2x, then inversely as z square, so meaning over z square. So then, in place of the variation symbol, we are going to replace the variation symbol with equal to k, the constant of variation. So this will give us y equal to k in brackets 2x over z square. Then since 2 and k are constants, so we can write this as y equal to, we'll start with 2, so 2, then k, then x over z square. So this is the equation that we're going to use for us to find the value of k, which is the constant of variation. And in the question, they've said that y equal to 4, x equal to 8, and z equal to 2. So it's just a matter of now substituting. So where there's y, we're going to put 4. And then we're going to say equal to 2. Okay, where there's x, we are putting 8. And over, where there's z, we put 2. So 2 square. And to find k, we just cross multiply, introduce over 1 on 4. So we introduce over 1 on 4 because we've got a fraction this side, so even this side we make it a fraction, and cross multiply here. This will give us 2 times k times 8 times 1. This will give us 16k equal to 4 times 2 square. 2 square is the same as 4. So in short, we are looking at 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So we've got 16 this side and also 16 as a coefficient of k. So divide by 16, both sides. So 16 to 16, 1. And 1 times k gives k. So we're looking at k equal to 16 into 16, that's 1, 1. And 1 into 1, that is 1. So the value of k is 1. So then we go to the second part, part B, value of y when x is 27 and z is 3. So x is 27, z is 3. We want the value of y. So for part B, x has been given as 27 and z has been given as 3. So we want y. What is y? So to get y, we'll just use the equation that we came up with. Now in this equation, k has been determined as 1. So in place of k, we're going to put 1. And if you multiply 2 times 1, 2 times 1 just gives 2. So our equation is going to be y equal to 2x over z square. So this is the equation that we're dealing with. because k is 1 and 2 times 1 is 2. So let's get y when x is 27 and z is 3. So we're going to do the following. Y is equal to 2 times 27 over z is 3, so 3 to the power 2. So what is 3 to the power 2? 3 to the power 2 is 9. So this means we've got 2 times 27 over 9. We can simplify. 9 can go into 27. So 9 into 9, 1. 9 into 27, that's 3, because they are 3 times. So our conclusion for y is y equal to 2 times 3, which gives a 6. So when x is 27, z is 3, the value of y is 6. So we now go to C. So now on C, we are saying find the values of z when x is 24 and y is 3. X is 24, y is 3. So we want to find the values of z. So C, we're going to use the same equation, y equal to 2x over z square. So now all we just have to do is substitute. Remember, x is given as 24, y is given as 3. So we want the values of z. So for this, we replace on x, we put 24, on y we put 3. So we'll start with 3 equal to 2 times 24, then over z square. So this here is a fraction, so over 1. We can now cross multiply since we've balanced up. Cross multiplying gives 3 times z square gives 3z square equal to 1 times 2 times 24 gives 2 times 24. Divide by 3 both sides. 3 into 3, that's 1. 1 times z gives z square equal to 3 can simplify. 3 can go into 24. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 24, that is 8. So to get z, we're multiplying 2 times 8, which gives 16. And then on z, since z has got a square, this means that we can square root both sides. So applying the square root both sides, on the right side, we are going to introduce plus or minus. So plus or minus to get two values of z. And on the left side, the square simplifies with the square root, leaving us with z equal to plus or minus what is the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is just 4. So for our final answer, we're just going to say z is equal to plus 4 or minus 4. And that is the solution for C. So just to go through, for part A, we found k as 1. For part B, we found y as 6. And C, we found the values of z as positive 4 or negative 4. And that is the solution to the question on variation. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the solutions to question 19 in my next video.